Welcome back to Cracked Housing Fab. Hey, we want to show you guys some cool bonus video of all of our projects we've done this year. We've had a lot of fun. It's been a really cool year. So
yeah, we wanted to throw together, like Kurt said, some bonus footage. This is the first video you're seeing from us. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think. It's been a really exciting year for Kurt and I. We started this in January.
Yeah.
And here we are in mid-October, and we're a lot farther along than we thought we would have been. So I want to show you guys kind of a little bit of a kind of cool things from the last 10 or 11 months that we've had a lot of fun doing. So check it out.
this is our first project brought to you by Cracked Housing Fab.
I want to take this and make this our first video of a multi-video series that we want to go from the beginning to the end. And then we get to show you some really cool riding videos. Welcome back to another Cracked Housing Fab video.
I thought you were going to say more.
No.
Sean's got some news for us here. The surprise we told you about. Let's pan over to him.
Okay, so we made you wait to the end of the video to show you what's under the tarp. We picked up a Yz450. Okay guys, so we got the pieces all glued together. Kurt went ahead and got that all done.
All right, so we have our PVC template that we made, and we just got our actual metal one back from the tubing vendor. We have a connection there, so that's why we went ahead and had them make it. So
Ooh.
oh, yeah.
That didn't go as planned.
actually my first time.
Yep. This is Kurt's first time technically driving it, so.
Oh my goodness. This thing is awesome, and it handles really, like I can't even, it handles awesome. It almost pulls the front end off the ground.
Yeah, see, you're hitting it a couple times and it was like lifting the front up.
It's so much torque.
My name is Kurt. I need to buy a new helmet. This thing's busted. Buy a new one.
I like it.
OP. All right, guys, we just want to give you a preview of what we do on the channel, give you some cool looks at some of the stuff we've done in the past, and also stay tuned to our channel to check this guy out. This is a 4-wheel drive, 600cc Yamaha crotch rocket engine powered Crosskart.
It's pretty sweet. Yeah, guys, if you like what we do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our Instagram, Facebook. We upload cool content over there during the week. We're having a lot of fun, and we're glad you can be part of it as we grow our channel. So make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.